Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to episode number 4 of CAT 2020 Slot 2 with tricks to solve every single quant question of CAT paper with 1 minute, 1 question approach. You can cover 100% syllabus on this channel. Subscribe to the channel. LRDI Live is a referral code. Guys, let's have a look at the next question of inequalities, or you can say the linear equation. Very simple question, right? It's not difficult one. You just need to observe all the expressions given here. X and y are the non-negative integers such that x plus 9 is z and y plus 1 is equal to z. So what are x, y and z? X, y and z we know are nothing but the variables, and variables mean the values the variables means those values which are unknown. But you see that every point can be plotted on a number line. So whatever is the value of x, it can be plotted on a number line. When I say that x plus 9 is equal to z, that means let's say if I'm taking that x is this unknown value, and when I add 9 to this, I get a value which is equal to z, right? Z is equal to x plus 9. And because it says y plus 1 is equal to z, that means when I add 1 to the y, I'll be having a value of z. That means y would just be 1 unit ahead of z. So what is the gap between x and y? You see that x and z have a gap of 9, y and z have a gap of 1. So can I say that x and y will have a gap of 8? And now the condition that you're supposed to see, or you can say that, can I say x plus 8 will be equal to y? And now we are supposed to find out the maximum possible value of 2x plus y. If I want to maximize the value of 2x plus y, I'll be maximize the value of x, I'll also be maximizing the value of y. And because y is dependent on x, so whatever is the value of x you are getting, you will get a unique value of y. So I just need to maximize the value of x with this relation that x plus y can be taken as x plus 8 less than z can be written as x plus 9 plus 5. That's it. This is 2x plus 8 less than x plus 14, or you can say x to be less than 6. Now when I'm saying that the value of x is less than 6, the maximum possible value of x, because it say is a non-negative integer, a non-negative integer less than 6 would be 5. So that's the maximum possible non-negative integer of the value of x. Now if x is 5, the maximum possible value of x is 5, then you see that the value of y would be 5 plus 8, 13. So the maximum value of this expression would be 10 plus 13, that is equal to 23. That's the answer of the question. Simplest question. Guys, this is a Telegram group to get updates on my content and free videos. So link is given in the description part of the video. Let's have a look at question number 11. It's a quadratic equation question. Fx is given to this, gx is equal to fx plus 1 minus f of x minus 1. So let's first find out what exactly is gx. Gx can be obtained by putting x as x plus 1 and putting x as x minus 1 and then subtracting it. So just put x, replace x with x plus 1 first, right? This is a quadratic equation that you'll be getting. Again put x minus 1 whole square. Because you're placing a minus sign here, this would be minus, right? Minus a into x minus 1 minus b. Now just do the subtraction and you will get your answer. We know that x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So guys, a square minus b square. A square minus b square would be a plus b into a minus b, right? Or let's do it. X square plus 1 plus 2x, right? This is ax plus a plus b minus x square minus 1 plus 2x minus ax plus a plus b. Okay. You see that here now, x square minus 1, x square plus 1 get cancelled. 2x plus 2x is equal to 4x. ax minus ax will get cancelled. A plus b is 2 times of a plus b, right? Right. A, that is 4x plus 2a plus 2b. Got it? This is what this expression is all about. Okay. Okay, and one mistake that we have done is b is of minus sign. B and b will get cancelled, right? So it will not be b here. It is only 4x plus 2a. And because it is given that, now this is g of x. That means g of 20 is given to us as 72. So can I put x as 20 here? So that means 80 plus 2a will be equal to 72. So 2a will be equal to minus 8, or can I say a will be equal to minus 4? Now if a is equal to minus 4, we are supposed to find out the smallest possible value of b. Now see that when I put a as, if I put a as minus 4 here, I'll get expression as f of x would be x square minus 4x plus b. This is f of x. And because it is given that f of x is always greater than equal to 0. Now f of x is always greater than equal to 0 means the graph of it would be like this only. It is never less than 0. This is the case when you are saying that discriminant is greater than equal to 0. That means discriminant of this expression would be b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. That is 16 minus 4 times of a into c would be greater than equal to 0. b would be 4b would be less than equal to 16, so b will be less than equal to 4. So what we are supposed to find out is smallest possible value of b, right? B square, that is 16 minus 4 into a into c should be greater than, sorry, it would be less than equal to 0, right? This is a case of less than equal to 0, not greater than equal to 0. So when you make it a less than equal to 0, 4b will be greater than equal to 16, or you say b will be less greater than equal to 4. So the smallest possible value would be b is greater than equal to 4, the smallest possible value of b is 4. See that when you are making a quadratic equation of graph like this, right, that means graph will never be negative. It will always be positive, or it can be equal to 0. That's the case when discriminant is either less than or equal to 0, right? If d is equal to 0, that means there are only one root, right? And in that case, d will be 0. But if d is always positive, if I'm saying the graph is always positive, discriminant has to be less than 0, right? That's the basics of quadratic equation that you should know. So when I apply this over here, right, let b square minus 4ac to be less than equal to 0, I'll get the smallest possible value of b as 4, which is the third option. So guys, these were the questions of algebra that we have covered in the previous two videos. Guys, this is a daily practice of 30 minutes. You can practice DILR with me every day at 4 p.m. You can cover 300 plus sets every day. 300 plus sets before CAT. Excellent sets of DI and LR every day at 4 p.m. Cover your syllabus, 100% syllabus at LRDIprep. My courses on Unacademy in the next 90 days to cover the whole syllabus of CAT. And next weekly scholarship test is coming on the upcoming Sunday. You can stand a chance to win up to 55 lakh. And you can use my code to unlock the test. Ask a doubt option is live on Unacademy, where you can just click on the question of the doubt and send it across to get the video solution. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thank you.